Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to quickly create a subdomain in Bluehost and install WordPress on it as well. So here I am on my homepage of the Bluehost where all of my sites is stored. Here you can see I have this main domain and also I have created a subdomain. So in this I will show you how to create a subdomain quickly in this Bluehost hosting. So for this I have to go to domains and open drop down, and here in drop down you can see a subdomain folder. Click on it. Now it will take you to a subdomain page, and here you can see I have stored my subdomain here. Now here you have this add new subdomain button. So to add new subdomain you have to click on it, and here you have to select your domain for which you want to create this subdomain. I will select this one, my main domain, and here I will type name. Here I want to add shop for this, so I will type shop, and here you have to choose a folder name. So I will type same name here, shop, and then click on add subdomain. It will take some time to load. Now your domain is successfully added. So now how you can add or install WordPress on it. So to add and install WordPress on it, you have to go back to your my sites. Here you have to add a new site, and so I will click on here and then click on create new site. Here first of all you have to add your name. I will add shop, and for the tagline I will type Elementor shop. Now I will click on next. Here you have to choose a domain. I will select this domain, shop.creatux.com, and here you have to select directory, but I will leave it blank and just click on next. So it will take some time to install WordPress on your site. Now the WordPress installation is completed. Here you have some installation, like you can add store and payment gateways, business, blog, and portfolio resume. Here you have some other options, but I will skip them and go to next step. Now here you have the username and the password. You can see the password by clicking on this I button, and here you have the option to log in to the WordPress. Now click on login to WordPress. So it will take you to WordPress dashboard. Now here your website is ready. You can see here status is coming soon, and also you have some plugins installed and themes also. Now I will show you how you can remove this site status coming soon to live. So for this, click on this site status and it will take you to here the Bluehost dashboard, and here you have to go to settings. In the settings you have there the site controls, and in the site controls you can see coming soon page. Now make sure to disable it. Now click on dashboard, and here you can see the site status change into live. Now I will show you how you can log in using username and password. So here let's go to users. Now here you can see by default an administrator is created, and you can change its email and also password by editing it. Also you can add another administrator. Let me add another. I will click on add new, and here you have to add your username, email, first name, second name, and here you have to add password, and here in the role you can change it to administrator and can create a new administrator. After creating, you have two administrators, and you can use their password and login username to log in into your site. Now this is the short tutorial where I have shown you how you can create subdomain in the Bluehost. Next tutorial I will show you how you can delete a subdomain or domain from the Bluehost hosting. So keep in touch and make sure to subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new video. Thanks for watching.